Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. We're drawing a red rose and a bumbling bee. Ready, set, draw. We begin with a little spiral. Start in and out. We just follow that around. One more time. And then we reach the end of the spiral, just bring a line down. Another line right here and here. We then just add the bud. It's just the letter M and the letter M. Now for the eyes. Circle, circle. And then eyelids and eyelashes. I want it looking slightly off to the side. She seems a little annoyed. Now for the lips. Lips are a letter B turned on its side, and another letter B. Then going to come in slightly, down, and add a thorn. Continue downward and off your page. The other side, same thing. Down, add a thorn, and then off the page. Those thorns are to protect from potential pickers and predators, because noses are like roses. They're for sniffing, not for picking. Now the leaves. Out, in, down, and up, and a line across. Same thing here. Out, in, point, and then a line across. Now for our little bumbling bee. I can't decide if I should draw two bees or one bee. Two bees or not two bees? That is the question. We begin with the eyes. A letter O or oval shape, and a letter C backwards. Add the pupils. The body shape of our bumblebee is like a lemon. So we come down, point, around, and up. You can see that lemon shape right there. Now for the stripes. 1, 2, 1, 2. We then color these in. The mouth. He looks a little bit concerned and worried. Down, up, and then we fill that in. We leave a little bit of space for the tongue. Next are the wings. Bumblebees beat their wings 200 times per second. 1, 2. Lastly, the eyebrows. Be sure to sign your name. Take pride in your work. Remember, drawing together draws us together. Thanks for drawing with me. I think our rose looks a little bit annoyed at that bee and wishes he would buzz off.